Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is another video about this bike in my channel. This is done only one of them bikes. Usually I take from 5 to 20 videos on a bike, different kind of models, different kind of brands. And this is Yamaha MT125 2020 plate. I got previous videos how to remove the tank fairing, the tank himself, the fairings on the back, also the brake pedal, a rear brake pedal to remove it. And this video going to be about removing all exhaust system from the rear end can to the front one, because you see rusty. I want to actually do the good job on it and make sure it looks nice and fresh again. So yeah, this video will be about this, but on the future videos will come up, the whole front completely will come off, the steering bar, headlight, speedo, wheels will come off on the respray, the wheels as well. And yeah, let's check it out. And this video is going to be how to completely remove your exhaust system from the cylinder to the end can. So let's check it out. First thing, we have to remove this fairing to actually get this can off. As you see, this fairing is being connected on the bottom in here as well. We don't have access with a drill, but what we're going to do, we use the Allen key for it. So the three boys are looking like this. They on the bottom in here. Let's have a look, make sure we see. So one hole, two and three. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to carry with these pieces in here and remove all these from the side. We got 1, 2, 3 and 4. As you see, we got the fairing already off. Well, nicely done. Okie dokie, so the next step will be, I will use W40 for these boys in here, also one in here. As you see, it's a bit rusty, so there could be chance they will come off a little bit hard. But hopefully we're going to be fine with them. Okie dokie, so we got one boy in here, and you can see it's actually broken in here. We've got one boy in here and a two up there. So let's remove them. 12. Yeah, I would use a 12mm socket. Take some extension and make your job much easier. Up. Use the bigger ratchets if you don't want. I mean, I will be fine with these. It comes off pretty easy. Make sure you don't lose anything from it, because you remember you have to put it back. Got one boy off. We've got two boys in here. So what I'm going to do, just pull it out and your exhaust is completely off. And also I'm going to show you what I'm doing to make it clean and how to put it back as well. So let's crack on. Okay, so basically what I want to do, I want to clean this exhaust. It's very rusty. It's not a very expensive piece. Usually if you got some chrome ones or any color, the really nice exhaust on your bike, use one of these boys. Really does the job. They cost a little bit, not so sure, it's about probably £17 or probably less than that. But yeah, for this job you need a grinder. I bought one of these boys in here. You got the metal brushes as well on it, but this is pretty good for me. It's not scratching too much stuff, so when you put it back on, it looks pretty great. Gloves and the glasses, trust me, you will need them. I never used to use any gloves or anything like that, and I actually got injury to myself, so please use them, and I promise you will be safe hands. You see already the result. It looks nice and fresh again. And yeah, so that's the job, and let's just carry on. sealed exhaust already. Let's put it back on. Just place into the right. Lovely. So that's the job done. It's nice and clean, so we can put an can on it in here, just like that. Place the screws inside, and that's the job done. Actually, really easy, with no struggle, no problems whatsoever. So that's your exhaust system. Just put back the fairing, and yeah, that's your complete exhaust removal, and it's been cleaned as well. If you find a little tip for yourself, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. Like I said, there is from 5 to 20 videos on each bike I do, and I do loads of bikes. You can see different brands, different countries, different models, and different kind of engine CCs as well. So subscribe and smash that like button, and I'll see you on the next video.